Welcome to our new tutorial about day to night changes. So we have finished on explanation to AI with it. We want some extra light, put it outside the building. As you see, it's completely relighting and reimagining it. So let's jump and dive a little bit deeper and let's think what can we do as well. So this is the quite normal prompt I used, and this is my other tests. As you see, we tried more and more additional lights, and this is more advanced prompt. So how I have received it, it's quite interesting. I just took it's a cyberpunk as well. You can just simply Google or find reference images on internet, movies, everywhere you wish, everywhere you can find your inspirations. So what I was trying to discuss with AI, I gave him my prompt. So it was change day to night, turn off artificial lights inside the building, make luxury outside light for architecture to show in the best possible way. Yeah, that's our main idea. We want to present architecture in the best idea, like in the best possible way. And I want to get simple prompt, like better but simple prompt. So yeah, we received a few ideas. NanoBanana friendly. It's also a good point of view. You can ask AI to make specific prompt for specific engine. It's not always, it doesn't mean that it's the best one. It's like, it's only a helper for you. So it will be easier for you to discuss to find some correct keywords, because it's not always so easy to describe what exactly we want. And yeah, that's what we received. So now we have a little bit more information and we simply can try to use it. So I'm using this prompt, Ctrl+C, jump back to our VizMaker, and let's give it a try. Let's select our source image with a left mouse click. Let's paste it. I am pasting Ctrl+V. So yeah, now we have much more a build description. We are selecting image editor, NanoBanana Pro, 2K, original, and hit make. I'll hit make a few times to receive multiple results, so you'll be able to compare them and to see how this prompt, what this prompt can give us. And let's see, it will be quite interesting. While we are waiting, I wanted to show you some more funny ideas. Like this was one of my ideas. I want to change day to night and add some extra light. So maybe not always I need only artificial light. Maybe I want some natural light. It should not be moonlight. Maybe I want to make a fire, some fireplace, and let's try it. So change day to night, add LED strips. Okay, maybe without that. Let's try without that. Turn artificial lights on. Okay. Without LEDs, only this one. Make cozy vibe. There is a fireplace in front of the house. People are sitting around and having a fun. Yeah, and we can just relight the image with the current information. Also, as I mentioned, you don't need to use only English. You can use any language you wish. And I'll hit make for a few tries and let's see how it will go. So this is a creative part of our job and you can generally try different options. And here we have more advanced prompting. Yeah, I think this one is good. So I can simply enlarge it. Yeah, that's okay. This side looks really good. This looks really, really good. It's really luxury light. Maybe it's bad that we have no light inside, but also we can use this image and ask AI to give some light inside. Okay, let's add a warm light inside. Warm, cozy, of course we love word cozy. It makes feeling our render better. Add warm, cozy light inside the house. Yeah, and I think it'll be the best night result we ever received. And let's wait, this will be somewhere here. Those results are also good as well. We have very cool LED strips, a very cool outside light. So feel free to use our prompts. Feel free to test it and find the best possible prompt for you. And while we are waiting, we can also try our party preset. I also try to make something, more in a different colors. So yeah, I tested how can it look like when we have a party inside, because depending on what's going on, we'll receive different results. If we'll put some luxury party, it will be one colors. If we'll have some colorful party, it will be other colors. If we have just normal dining, atmosphere to be third option. So yeah, feel free to test, feel free to explore ideas. So I'm clicking source, I'm pasting my prompt, change the day to night, add LED strips, turn artificial lights on. It's part of our standard prompt. I use it from here, day to night, and I'm only adding this part. There is a party inside of the house. There are some lights, different lights in each room, different lights. Okay, and I'm hitting make 3 times to see how AI thinks, how AI see it. Of course, we can predict, we can write the lights, the color lights, and we try to describe more, but we also can check our idea here. Yeah, this one is quite strange because we now received strange fireplace. It's built up from the zones. I don't like it, but this one is really good. This one was really good. I'm selecting enlarge and let's see the details. Yeah, there's a face problem. It's bad. I'm generally replace or remove this person just completely, but general vision of this render is very good. Like I have received all I need. I can simply compare it to this. Also, I can check this render. Yeah, this render is also good. I'm very happy with the general result. Of course, details of the people are not okay, but we have 2K resolution only. We can upscale it and we'll discuss it later. So we can compare A and compare B. I think this image will be the best one, enlarge. Yeah, and the general mood of understanding how it can look like is perfect. Yeah, we now received very good warm light. We received something extra. So yeah, feel free to test it and play as many as you can with different ideas. And let's see our party option, also very good. Also very good. It gives me a lot of life inside. This one is very good. This one is the most funniest for me. So yeah, I'm also comparing source image A, right click, compare A, right click, compare B. Now I'm clicking left click, enlarge. Very, very strong result, really. Like you have a really cool vibe, you know, of the different light sources, different ES profiles, different lamp types. And even here, for example, you see that those trees are a little bit pink. So yeah, it's like the AI understands a lot, really a lot, and feel free to test it. It's very, very good. So yeah, that's the end part. And here we can check our best light option for me. We can compare it with the day option and see how we like it. Yeah, I think it's the best option. Yeah, it's really the best option. We have a very good outside light and inside light. It's fully lighted. That's that's how typical architecture night renders are made. So it's very good for conception arts, for you know, this stage of creation of your and reimagining your ideas at the night. So yeah, see you in the next tutorial. And in the next tutorial, we will discuss ideas how we can transfer light from one image to another image. In it, we will make examples on the dark images, on the night images as well. And see you in the next tutorial.